As the question says, a river 400 meter wide is flowing at a rate of 2 meter per second. A boat is sailing at a velocity of 10 meter per second with respect to the water in a direction perpendicular to the river. Find the time taken by the boat to reach the opposite bank. How far from that point directly opposite to the starting point does the boat reach the opposite bank? Let us first represent the situation in a diagram in which we are having this as being the river, the boat being starting from point A and the opposite point being B. If the boat starts to move but it actually goes at the point C, which is at an angle of theta with AB. Now, the width of the river has been given as 400, and we know that the river is flowing with a rate of 2 meter per second, while with respect to this river, this boat is moving at 10 meter per second, perpendicular to it. Now, from here, we can find out tan theta as being 2 by 10, giving us 1 by 5. If you are confused by finding tan theta with the help of these velocities, you can consider a 1 second time in which this will be moving 2 meters, this will be moving 10 meters, and so ultimately you will be having a distance 2 and 10, giving you tan theta equals to 1 by 5. Now, moving ahead, we can say that though it is having a resultant velocity in the direction AC, but actually the velocity component AB will be responsible to let it cross the river, and which is equals to 10 meter per second. So, if we take the distance to cross is 400, the velocity is 10 meter per second, giving us the time as distance upon velocity equals to 400 by 10, giving you 40 seconds. So this is the time that the boat will be taking to cross the river. Proceeding with the second part of this question, in which we need to find out how far from the point directly opposite to the starting point does it reach. Means we need to find out BC. Now, we have been given tan theta as 1 by 5 in the first part, and we know that tan theta from this triangle ABC is actually BC over AB. We can write it as BC over 400 equals to 1 by 5, giving you BC equals to 80 meters.